Hello guys! So let's try to answer these questions for our CSE review for today. Multiply 2.3 times 4.1. So, ang ating review for today is all about multiplying decimal numbers. So, quick tip para sa mga ganitong type of questions, para lang tayong nag-multiply ng whole number, ang kaibahan lang, meron tayong i-move na decimal places sa ating final answer. Okay? So, we have 2.3 times 4.1. So first, yung 1 muna. So 1 times 3, we have 3. And then 1 times 2, we have 2. So follow naman dito yung 4. So we have 4 times 3. Sa baba ng 4 natin ilalagay. That is 12. Pero 2 lang tayo. And then carry 1 natin yung 1. Then finally, we have 4 times 2. That is 8. Plus 1, we have 9. So ngayon, add lang natin to. So 3, bring down lang. And then yung 2, 2 plus 2, we have 4. And then, yung 9, bring down lang din. Ngayon, bibilangin na natin kung ilang decimal places yung kailangan nating i-move sa ating final answer. So sa 2.3, meron tayong isa. Sa 4.1, meron din tayong isa. So 1, at saka 1. So meron tayong 2 decimal places na i-move sa ating final answer. So kung andito yung decimal place natin, or yung decimal point natin, move tayo ng dalawa, papunta sa left. So we have 1, 2. So our final answer is 9.43, which is letter A. So for our next question, multiply 5.6 times 3.4. So hayaan ko kayong sagutan nito, and let's see if may natutunan ba kayo sa ating review for today. So that's it, and maraming salamat sa panonood.